Betelgeuse Supernova. Will Earth have a second sun soon? The night sky has always held secrets, but now, one of its brightest stars might be ready to reveal its most dramatic truth, a cosmic eruption that could light up our sky like never before. Welcome to Space, where we explore the mysteries of the universe, and today, we're watching Betelgeuse. Imagine gazing at the sky and seeing two suns, one the golden beacon we know, the other a blazing cosmic fireball lighting up the heavens. It sounds like science fiction, but it's rooted in reality. Betelgeuse, a dying red giant star, might soon explode in a supernova visible from Earth. So what's real, and what's just speculation? Betelgeuse forms the fiery shoulder of Orion the Hunter, a celestial landmark that's fascinated humanity for ages. Though it lies 700 light-years away, its immense size makes it one of the brightest stars we see. If Betelgeuse replaced our Sun, its surface would extend past Jupiter, swallowing Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars in the process. In late 2019, the star baffled scientists by suddenly dimming, losing nearly 2/3 of its usual brightness. What caused this mysterious fade? Telescopes detected what looked like a massive cosmic sneeze, a cloud of stellar dust blocking its light. Was it a prelude to a cataclysmic explosion, or just a red giant's version of a cough? A supernova is the dramatic finale of a massive star's life. Once its nuclear fuel runs out, the core collapses under gravity, triggering an explosion that outshines entire galaxies. Betelgeuse, with a mass 20 times that of our Sun, has been burning for millions of years. Now, it's running on its last reserves, primarily iron and neon, elements that signal the final countdown. Red supergiants don't go quietly. As they die, temperatures in their cores spike to a staggering 100 billion degrees. In that extreme furnace, heavy elements like gold, uranium, and platinum are forged, cosmic alchemy on a titanic scale. Betelgeuse won't just die. It will create the building blocks for future worlds. Astronomers predict Betelgeuse could explode any time within the next 100,000 years, a blink in cosmic terms, but a vast stretch for human timelines. Soon could mean tomorrow, or long after our civilization is gone. That uncertainty fuels both excitement and debate in the scientific community. But here's the mind-bending twist. Betelgeuse may have already exploded. Since its light takes 700 years to reach us, any fireworks that happened in 1323 are only just now arriving. In that sense, we're not just stargazers. We're time travelers, witnessing ancient events unfold in real time. History gives us glimpses of such celestial drama. In the year 1054, a brilliant supernova lit up the daytime sky, creating what we now call the Crab Nebula. Ancient Chinese astronomers recorded it as a guest star brighter than Venus. That sudden brilliance reshaped humanity's perception of the heavens. If Betelgeuse explodes, it won't rival the sun, but it might shine as brightly as the full moon. For weeks, or even months, it would light up the night, casting shadows and glowing like a cosmic diamond nestled in Orion's belt, a rare, stunning, and harmless spectacle for Earth. And the true cosmic alert will arrive even before the light does. Hours ahead of the explosion's visible flash, trillions of neutrinos, nearly massless subatomic particles, will zip through Earth. Detectors like Japan's Super Candy will catch these ghostly messengers, giving us an early warning. The star has died. Don't worry, there's no danger to Earth. At 700 light-years away, the radiation from Betelgeuse would be too weak to harm us. Our atmosphere and ozone layer would deflect any harmful rays. We're safe, spectators to one of the most powerful events in the universe. For scientists, a Betelgeuse supernova would be the astronomical event of the century. Telescopes around the world and in orbit would capture every moment, studying shock waves, element formation, and possibly the birth of a black hole. It could redefine our understanding of how stars live and die. And the sky itself would be forever changed. Orion's shoulder would vanish, replaced by an expanding cloud of gas and dust, a glowing nebula evolving over decades. Future generations would look up at a transformed constellation and wonder what used to be there. Beyond science, such an event would stir hearts and imaginations. Throughout history, supernovae have been seen as omens, divine messages, or apocalyptic signs. Today, it might inspire poetry, music, philosophy, and art, uniting humanity under a shared cosmic experience. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its infrared eyes toward Betelgeuse and uncovered chaotic surface activity, turbulent plasma flows, and thick dust clouds. These so-called stellar tantrums are common in aging giants, but keep astronomers on edge with every flicker. Recently, Betelgeuse began to brighten again, adding to the mystery. Is it simply recovering from its outburst, or is it entering the final, fatal stages of collapse? The star's behavior is erratic, driven by chaotic fusion reactions and monstrous magnetic fields that defy prediction. Despite media hype, most astrophysical models suggest Betelgeuse still has some time left. Its core is currently fusing carbon, a phase before the true endgame. But in stellar terms, this middle age can end abruptly, sometimes without warning. And yet, the stakes remain immense. The elements forged in Betelgeuse's explosion could someday drift across space, gathering into clouds, birthing new stars, and eventually forming planets. Perhaps even life. It's cosmic recycling, the death of one star sowing seeds for countless new beginnings. After the explosion, the star's corpse may become a neutron star, an ultra-dense object only miles wide, or, if massive enough, collapse into a black hole. Observatories would track the aftermath for decades, piecing together the fate of one of our most famous stellar neighbors. The explosion's light would crescendo over a few days before gradually fading over months. Amateur astronomers with backyard telescopes could track this celestial farewell, while observatories like Hubble or Webb would capture it in breathtaking detail, a portrait of a star's final breath. Betelgeuse's story reminds us of our own impermanence. Whether it explodes within our lifetimes or not, its fate is written. We are mere witnesses to cosmic processes that stretch beyond humanity's brief chapter on Earth. This patience of the cosmos teaches humility. Stars live for millions or billions of years, civilizations only thousands. A supernova would offer a profound glimpse into the universe's epic timeline, grounding us in something far greater than ourselves. For now, Betelgeuse remains a blazing enigma. Every observation reveals a new mystery, a reminder that the night sky isn't static but alive, turbulent, and filled with stories waiting to unfold. So tonight, look up, trace Orion's outline, and find that glowing red shoulder. Ask yourself, is it still burning, or are we just seeing its ghost, traveling across time? In this cosmic theater, the line between present and past vanishes. Yes, the second sun headlines might exaggerate the drama, but what we stand to witness is no less extraordinary. A tiny point of light piercing the ordinary sky, challenging everything we think we know about space, time, and fate. Whenever it happens, be it in a decade or in 100,000 years, Betelgeuse's death will illuminate more than just the sky. It will ignite minds, stir wonder, and unify us in our shared curiosity for the stars. Until that moment, astronomers will keep watching, patiently, obsessively. Satellites, observatories, and even AI systems now monitor the stars' every pulse. The wait itself has become part of the story, a suspenseful chapter in the science of anticipation. In the cosmic scale of things, Betelgeuse is just one star among billions destined for collapse. But its closeness makes it special. It's not just a point of light. It's a living part of our sky's history and future. So, will Earth ever truly have a second sun? Not quite, but we'll gain something far more powerful: perspective. A supernova is not the end. It's the spark of cosmic rebirth, scattering stardust across galaxies to one day form new worlds. Betelgeuse's journey transcends stargazing. It's a tale of cosmic time, glowing remnants, and the delicate balance between death and creation. Whether the explosion comes tomorrow or long after we're gone, one truth remains: the universe evolves, and so must we. In a universe that waits longer than we live, Betelgeuse reminds us, some lights take centuries to reach us, but their stories last forever.